Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we are doing numeracy. And this week we are learning all about 3D shapes. So it's really important that we have some 3D shapes available for little learners to touch and feel and play with to really get an understanding of their properties and what they're called and what they can do. So today we are learning about the sphere. We had a little song about the sphere. The sphere is round like a ball. You got it. So what I want you to do is I want you to see if you can get clay or Play-Doh today, and you could make spheres of different sizes and spheres of different colors and maybe design your own sphere. And if it's okay, if you blend your Play-Doh colors, you could maybe design your own ball. Miss Hake's going to design her own ball today. Would you like to see? All right. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to turn the camera down so you can see, with my very nice orangey reddy pink. And when we make a ball, we know we have to roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. So doing that Play-Doh warm-up before doing this is amazing. So you can roll it in between your palms, you can roll it on the table, and you want to create a beautiful sphere, circle. So I'm going to create a ball, but I'm going to use a different color. I'm not going to press it in too hard because I don't want them to be brown, but I'm going to make my ball have blue polka dots. Kind of fun, right? And while I'm making my ball, I'm going to think about what kind of ball would it be? Well, I'm thinking mine's going to be a big bouncy ball. Yeah, so one of those big balls that you can bounce and play catch with. Yeah. So while you're learning about your spheres and your balls, see about designing lots of different types of balls. And then you can share with your friends and you can say, hey, my ball is a bouncy ball. Or if you made a baseball or a basketball, you can see all the types of balls that you might be able to make. And then if you have time, maybe you can go outside and play with some balls today for math. Wouldn't that be fun? Playing with balls for numeracy, seeing how high they can bounce, practicing catch, practicing rolling. I wonder if you have a ball that rolls really far. All right, have so much fun talking about spheres and making spheres today, and I will see you soon.